Okay, folks, here's a reason you are going to learn to hate Roboform. Watch this. In the upper right-hand corner, you'll notice that there's an icon. And if you click on that, then a toolbar shows up for Roboform. You see that over on the left. And it doesn't have enough in it to make it worthwhile to keep there, so you probably want to get rid of it. You go back to the upper right-hand corner, click the icon again, and the information in the toolbar disappears, but the space still remains and just eats up space in your browser. Now, that's annoying, but I can't even figure out a way to get rid of it if you take a look at the options. In any event, it's worse than that. If I go to a site like Facebook, which of course you're going to do all the time, in the upper left-hand corner, you'll notice it freezes. And you can't figure out why it's freezing, except that it's actually creating this toolbar again. And it takes 10 to 15 seconds. It actually took 10 in this specific example. Awful. Okay, here's another one you're going to hate. Let's say I go to a site like YouTube, and I want to look up the story of the homeless guy with the great voice. So, I type in homeless, and notice there's going to be a huge pause here for no reason. Now, if you hadn't known that you just installed Roboform, you wouldn't know what the problem was. But watch what will eventually happen. I'm waiting. Now, this is going to end up taking, I don't know, I'm guessing somewhere in the order of 30 or 40 seconds. And then it's going to ruin the whole browser. So you got to wait it out, try to figure out what's happening. And I'm waiting the actual time, and then in the lower right-hand corner, it says the following plugin is unresponsive. Something about Roboform adapter. Do you want to stop it? So I say yes, and it tells you the following plugin has crashed. This is some of the corruption that Roboform is going to do to your machine. Okay, in addition to those errors, there are other errors and pop-up windows you're going to get when you get crashes because of Roboform. I didn't have time to make videos on all of them, but what I did is I copied the mini screenshots into a Word document, and I saved them, so if you see these in the future, you'll at least know that it's a problem related to Roboform. You get this. Google Chrome is unresponsive. Google Chrome is not responding. Close the program. And with every one of these, you got to close it. Another one. Page unresponsive after a long amount of time. You got a choice to either wait or kill the page. Another one. Google Chrome has stopped working. Another one. Google Chrome is not responding. Another one. Internet Explorer has stopped working. So these are some of the errors you're going to get as a result of the software. I wasted probably 8 to 10 hours trying to get this software to work and ran into so many problems and wanted to make sure that you didn't waste the same time. So, you decide what you want to do, but the decision's awfully easy as far as I'm concerned.